Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to talk about 3 of my favorite cable exercises. Whether you're a beginner, whether you're advanced, these are really the best cable exercises you can do for your biceps. Alright, so let's head straight into it. So the first exercise, what makes a successful bicep exercise? What's really important, first thing, is mind-muscle connection. So I always start all my bicep workouts with this exercise. So we're going to come over here to the cable machine and we're going to set it up at a very low angle. So put it at the lowest setting. So put it at a light weight. So I'm just going to put it at, if you see the stack here, I'm going to put it at the second weight. Right, this is just 9 kilos. It's really light. So, or whatever weight you can handle, this is just warm up. You're going to grab the handle. So if the weight stack is on your right, you're going to use your left arm to grab it. So coming over here, it's going to be a cross body curl like this. You're going to pin your body to your side and you're just going to curl it up and squeeze. Alright, remember this is a mind-muscle connection exercise, so we're going to take it light, we're going to take our time, get that mind-muscle connection to that bicep. So I'm going to do 5 reps and show you guys how I do it. I'm going to do it at this pace, so coming up, pause here if I need to, feel the tension on the bicep, not the forearms, and come up, squeezing the bicep, feeling that real intense contraction, coming down slowly, and you have to go at this speed guys. Squeeze. Alright, this is the first exercise, just keeping it simple. Okay, put your other hand here to feel the bicep activation as well. One more. Squeeze. And down. So that's the gist of the exercise, and because it's just a warm-up, you can do this for about 15 to 20 reps, however much that gets that mind-muscle connection established. And then you can do it for 1 to 2 sets. Alright, let's head on to a second exercise. Alright, quickly moving on to the second exercise. If you ask me if I can only do one exercise for my biceps, what would it be? It would be a straight bar curl, but with one modification. Let me show you guys. Okay, so we're going to use this straight bar and attach it to the handle again. But this time, you see that I've set it up about 2 levels higher than the first exercise. Okay, from here, instead of standing, I'm going to go into a squat position. And I'm going to squat down like this. So I'm placing my elbows on my knees, and what this does is that it elevates the elbows. So remember that one of the functions of the bicep is actually to elevate the elbow, and the more you elevate your elbow, the more intense the squeeze will be. So this will really help to build that bicep peak. Alright? So when your elbows are up in front, what we're going to do, leave it on your knees. Here, first set, go light, get the idea of the exercise. So I'm going really light here. Curl it in. This is about almost done, but you're not done yet. You want to curl all the way to your face. Squeeze and come back. Here, squeeze, come back. Alright, and because of the nature of this exercise, like I said, your elbows up in front, you should feel a really strong squeeze. And if you're not feeling it, you might be going too heavy on this exercise. So just lighten the weight, feel that squeeze. But remember, this is your main bicep builder, so you want to go heavy over time. But just when you're first starting out this exercise, don't go too heavy. So for this exercise, I like to go anywhere from 8 to about 12 reps, and then do about 4 sets of this exercise. So with that, we're going to move on to our last bicep exercise on the cable machine. Let's go. Now on to our last exercise, alright? So we've targeted the biceps because we have a supinator grip. Now we need to target the other important muscle that's always neglected, which is the brachialis. So the brachialis, to keep it really short for you guys, is the muscle that sits underneath the biceps brachii, and it helps to push up the biceps. It adds to the overall biceps size. So you really want to train that too. How do we train that? We need to do an exercise which involves a neutral grip. So on the cable machine, what we're going to do is a rope hammer curl. Alright, so this time we're using the rope attachment. Clip it to the handle, which is all the way at the bottom once again. Alright, most of us have done a hammer curl, so I'll just keep this straightforward. You're going to grab the weight, step back. Okay, you want to pin your elbows to your sides. Don't let it flare out. Pin your elbows to the side and do a very simple thing of just bending the arm. Okay, so come down, bend the arm. If you want to feel your brachialis more, right, instead of your brachioradialis, which is this muscle on your forearm, what you want to do is you take a looser grip on the rope. Instead of squeezing it, take a looser grip, and you want to kind of drag the weight up. So I'm exaggerating it here. Let me show you guys. you can come a bit closer to my arms. You can see, so a very forearm heavy version would be just bending like this, alright? And whereas if you want to activate your brachialis, you kind of drag the weight up and squeeze. So you will feel more of a squeeze here, less of the squeeze of the forearm. And this is a really advanced tip, and you just got to keep trying. Remember, pin the arms to the side, drag it up like this, and come down. Alright, and this is our second mass builder. So you want to go for a meaningful weight with this, and then you want to do a meaningful weight for about 8 to 12 reps once again, and 3 to 4 sets. So that's all the cable exercises for you guys today. Alright, really short one today. For all the fellas that have never tried any of these exercises before, I really recommend doing the first one, honing in on that mind-muscle connection, because it's so important, guys. I see so many guys in the gym just curling the weights, but they're really not squeezing the biceps, and they might get stronger, but they're really not going to build the biceps, okay? So if you just listen to this one advice, it will take you a very long way. Alright, and those more advanced people who are watching this video, I hope you guys learned something new from this video. And if you have any other questions, guys, just contact me on my Instagram, and be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this content. With that, I'll see you guys next time.